We'll guide you through how to download and install the YouTube mobile app. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the app is really convenient because then you can quickly go and start watching YouTube videos. And as well as that, you can go and upload your own as well. So make sure to watch this full guide as we guide you through this. To get started, we need to go and find the phone's store. As you can see, there it is. Usually it's going to be on the home page, so you can tap on it to open it up. Then what you need to do is come to the bottom and go and find the search. And in this case, it's over to the right. Then what you need to do is click on the search at the top and search for the app what we want, which is YouTube. So we can go and type in YouTube like so. Here it is. Now, for your case, it's most likely going to say get because you haven't had it before. I have, so it's got this cloud icon. If it says get though, tap on it and you can tap on it there. Then it'll go and start downloading. You may need to go and enter in your password or verify that it's you. I didn't because I've already had the app before, but you can scroll down and read some more info about it. When it's finished, it's going to go and say open, so you can tap there, but also you're going to go and find it on your phone's home screen, as you can see. Then you can go and tap on it and you can go and sign in, or you can go and use it without signing in, and you can then go and start watching and using YouTube. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to making more guides in the future and helping you again. Have a great day and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now.